Lakshadweep's coral crisis. A bleaching emergency. Coral reefs are in danger, facing unprecedented threats. The Indian Ocean archipelago of Lakshadweep is facing a severe coral bleaching event, which is causing widespread concern among marine biologists. This alarming discovery was made by the Indian Council of Agricultural Research, Central Marine Fisheries Research Institute, or ICAR-CMFRI, in October 2023, highlighting the urgent need for action. Prolonged marine heatwaves are the primary culprit, significantly raising water temperatures. These heatwaves have persisted, pushing the corals beyond their limits, leading to widespread bleaching. The ICAR-CMFRI has been closely monitoring the situation. Their findings are concerning, indicating a dire situation for the reefs. Large sections of coral reefs in Lakshadweep are now bleached, losing their vibrant colors. This bleaching event is one of the worst in recent history, with devastating impacts on marine life. The future of these vital ecosystems hangs in the balance, and immediate action is crucial to prevent further damage. Coral reefs are often called the rainforests of the sea, and for good reason. They are vibrant ecosystems teeming with life. They support a vast array of marine species, from tiny fish to large predators. Corals are tiny animals known as polyps. They form colonies by secreting calcium carbonate. These colonies create the intricate structures we call reefs, which can span vast areas. There are different types of coral reefs, each with its own unique characteristics and formations. Fringing reefs grow close to shorelines, often hugging the coast. Barrier reefs form further out, creating lagoons between the reef and the shore. Atolls are ring-shaped reefs that encircle lagoons. Coral reefs are essential for a healthy ocean. They provide food, shelter, and breeding grounds for countless marine species. They protect coastlines from erosion and storm surges. They also support fishing and tourism industries, which are vital for many economies. Their loss would have devastating consequences, not just for marine life, but for human communities as well. Coral bleaching occurs when corals are stressed. The stress causes them to expel the algae living within their tissues. These algae, called zooxanthellae, give corals their vibrant colors. They also provide them with food through photosynthesis. Rising sea temperatures are a major cause of coral bleaching. Pollution and ocean acidification also play a role. When corals bleach, they become weak and vulnerable to disease. Severe or prolonged bleaching can lead to coral death. Section 4. Bleaching in Lakshadweep, a dire warning. The coral bleaching in Lakshadweep is a direct consequence of climate change. The increase in marine heat waves is unprecedented. The corals are struggling to cope with the rising water temperatures. The ICAR-CMFRI has reported widespread bleaching across the archipelago. Many coral species are affected. The most vulnerable species are showing the most severe bleaching. The long-term impact on the reefs is still uncertain. Section 5. Ripple effects, impacts on ecosystems, economies and climate. The coral bleaching in Lakshadweep has far-reaching implications. The loss of coral reefs would be catastrophic for marine life. Fish would lose their habitats. The intricate food webs of the ocean would be disrupted. Local communities that depend on fishing and tourism would suffer economically. Coastal protection would weaken. The loss of coral reefs would also exacerbate climate change. Corals absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Their disappearance would further accelerate global warming. Section 6. A call to action. Protecting our underwater treasures. Our oceans are home to some of the most diverse ecosystems on the planet. The coral crisis in Lakshadweep is a wake-up call. The once vibrant reefs are now struggling to survive. We must act now to protect these vital ecosystems. Coral restoration projects are a step in the right direction. Reducing greenhouse gas emissions is crucial. Our planet's health depends on it. We need to transition to cleaner and more sustainable energy sources. Renewable energy can make a significant difference. Supporting research and conservation efforts is essential. Scientists are working tirelessly to find solutions. We must protect marine areas from pollution and overfishing. These threats endanger the delicate balance of marine life. Educating others about the importance of coral reefs and the threats they face is vital. Awareness can lead to action. The future of our oceans depends on our actions. Together, we can make a difference and ensure these treasures are preserved for generations to come.